We will show you in this video how you can easily put the device into operation. After you have unpacked the device, place the charging station to a suitable place in your garden and then connect it with enclosed power cord. Use the boundary wire in the packaging and attach the beginning of the wire to the socket F. Then bury the boundary wire into the ground with the enclosed boundary pegs. Make sure that you stick the boundary pegs particularly deep into the ground. The best way to do this is to use a hammer. The distance between the boundary pegs should be approximately 80 centimeters. After you have finished laying the boundary cable, you simply cut it at the end and place it in the socket B on the back of the charging station. If you have laid everything correctly, the signal S1 will light up on the back. Put the Yard Force robotic lawnmower to its charging station and switch the power on. If installed correctly, the signal light is flashing in the back of charging station. You can now put the robotic mower from charging station into the lawn. Set the mowing time and press start button on the control panel. Now EasyMow 260B is start working in the garden.